How to promote Fiverr gigs. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can promote your Fiverr gigs as a freelancer to make money online. So let's get started. What you have to do is simply go to fiverr.com. Fiverr.com is world's leading freelancing platform that allows you to sell your gigs and make money online by just sitting at home. You can simply go ahead and create your gigs in different niches such as logo designing, voiceover, social media manager, editors, writers, and more. So if you are a freelancer and you use Fiverr, you have created your gig, there is a problem. Sometimes we are not getting the job and we think what is wrong, how we can simply go ahead and promote our gigs for free. This tutorial is for you and it will solve all of your problems. So the first thing in order to get jobs and in order to promote your gigs is that you have to create a very good looking gig. This is very important when it comes to selling a gig. If you want to promote your gig, if you want clients to check out your gig, then make sure you have an attractive title and an attractive picture. Because we know that we kind of like find aesthetically pleasing things more attractive. And it's the same with the gigs as well. Of course, it depends on your pricing too and your work. But let's say that you are a good designer and your gig is not that attractive, then you will not get the jobs. And a person whose gig is really good looking, they have created images and videos, but they're not as skilled as you, they will still get the job. So make sure you list your work and you create a gig that is attractive. Once you do that, then you will be able to promote your gigs better. These are the different tips for you in order to help you create the right gig. Make sure you have a catchy title and picture of yourself too. You can also add a video because videos are better than pictures. You have one picture and the other person has a video explaining of what they do, then of course people will check out their gig. So make sure you keep notes of these little things and it will help you create a high quality gig. Once you have it, then you can actually create your own website. Website is the best way to promote your gig and get clients. You can create your website anywhere you want to. You can create it on Wix. What you have to do is create your own portfolio website. You can also use WordPress, Squarespace, Blog, or whatever you want to use. Once you do that, then you will be able to get more clients because websites show that you are professional and you have other clients too. You are really good in your job. So make sure you create a good portfolio website with all of your social medias. For example, this is one of the portfolio website and you can see right here that this person actually has a good portfolio created. And I can get access to all of their work, their clients, testimonies, and everything. This helps me trust this person and give them the job. That's what you need to do as well. In order to promote your gig, you will have to create a website. Another way you can promote your Fiverr gigs is going to be through YouTube. You might have seen many freelancers telling you that how they do business on Fiverr. In actual, they're actually promoting their gig. They're telling you how they design and how they're earning money. They show you that what kind of gigs they have created and you can do the same. You can see right here, I have searched for graphic design career and you can see all of these people are actually freelancers making money with graphic designing. This way you will be able to teach people and promote your gig. You can simply add link of your website right here on YouTube. You simply, get the link for your profile, add it in the description of your YouTube video. And this is actually pretty good because with YouTube, you're not only promoting your gig, you're also promoting your business, yourself, and also making money on YouTube because these kind of videos actually do pretty good. As you can see, this video actually has 2 million views, this one has 161k views, this one has 8k views, and this one also has 678k views. So these people are actually making money with YouTube as well and promoting their gigs. They tell you how they create gigs on Fiverr and what they are selling. People contact you through your YouTube and they check out your gig and hire you because they want to work with a person who is super professional and has their own YouTube channel who teaches other people too. This shows that how skilled you are in your field. And this way you will be able to sell your gigs and get clients. Another way you can promote your gigs is through Facebook. What you have to do is simply open up your Facebook. Everybody has Facebook, right? So what happens is we can use Facebook to promote our Fiverr gigs. How? Facebook has large audience and it has billions of users. But when it comes to freelancing and promoting your gigs, you will need to go to Facebook groups. And there are groups in every niche. There are different groups created for Fiverr freelancing. You can see right here. There are hundreds of groups and groups for each country as well. What you have to do is you will simply join these groups. They have a lot of members, such as 103k members. This one has 282k, this one has 98k, this one has 69k. You simply promote your gigs in these groups because people in these groups are actually interested in freelancing and there are different clients who join these groups. And when it comes to Facebook, Facebook is actually a very effective way to get a job. Many freelancers actually say they got their first job through Facebook, because this way you are directly able to contact the client, and different clients are looking for different freelancers, and freelancers actually post their gigs right here that we are skilled in this niche, and many clients post the job right here that they're looking for data entry. You can see right here, somebody has typed in data entry expert needed. Now everybody is sharing their profile, and this way they will be able to get the job. Similarly, you can join as many groups as you want to, and then simply go ahead and promote your gigs right here on Facebook. So if you didn't know this method, then you're missing out on a lot. You simply post right here, add your link, and you're good to go. And these are all very effective ways to get your jobs and promote your gigs. Create a website, create a YouTube channel, or join a Facebook group. And this will actually help you get the job and even get your first job. You can promote your gigs, create high quality gigs right here, make sure you're skilled and there is no scam involved. Then you will be able to make fortune by just sitting at home and doing freelancer using Fiverr.com. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to tell you everything about the topic and I hope that you understood everything and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question. If I were a big help, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.